Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating Cash App tips for creators, making it easier for your fans to support you. Follow these simple steps to set up your Cash App account to receive tips efficiently. Step 1. Download and install Cash App. If you haven't already, start by downloading the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account using your email address or phone number. Step 2. Set up your Cash App account. After downloading, follow the prompts to set up your account. You'll need to link a bank account or debit card for transferring funds. Make sure all your personal details are entered correctly to avoid any issues. Step 3. Navigate to your profile. In the Cash App, tap on the profile icon located in the upper right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your profile settings where you can manage your account. Step 4. Enable tips. Look for the tips option within your profile settings. Enable the tips feature by toggling it on. This will allow your fans to send you tips directly through Cash App. Step 5. Share your Cash App handle. Once tips are enabled, share your Cash App handle or cash tag with your fans. This unique identifier is what they'll use to send you tips. Make sure to promote it on your social media platforms and during your content creation. Step 6. Engage with your audience. Let your fans know how much you appreciate their support. Engage with them by thanking those who send tips and consider acknowledging them in your content or live streams. This creates a sense of community and encourages more support. Step 7. Monitor your tips. To keep track of your earnings, regularly check your Cash App balance. You'll see the tips you've received, and you can withdraw or transfer this money to your linked bank account whenever you like. Remember, setting up Cash App tips is a great way to receive support from your fans easily. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Cash App account is ready for tips and that your audience knows how to support you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.